Hey, so if you're seeing a green screen in VLC on Windows, yeah, like your video turns green but audio still plays, or the screen glitches out completely, that can be really annoying. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close VLC completely and reopen it. I mean, sometimes it's just a temporary rendering glitch. Next, yeah, hardware acceleration is the most common cause of the green screen issue. Try turning it off in VLC settings. Now, go to video settings and change the output module. I mean, switching between DirectX and OpenGL often fixes display glitches. Yeah, make sure your VLC is updated. Older versions can cause rendering bugs like green screen issues. Now, try a different video file. I mean, if only one file is affected, it might be a corrupted video. Yeah, outdated graphics drivers can also cause green screen problems. Updating them can fix display rendering issues. Now, resetting VLC preferences can fix corrupted display settings that cause video glitches. Yeah, video filters or enhancements can sometimes interfere with playback. Try disabling them in VLC settings. If nothing works, reinstall VLC. This resets all display settings and fixes broken rendering components. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC green screen problem on Windows. Most of the time, it's hardware acceleration, drivers, or video output settings. Try these steps and your videos should display normally again. Thanks for watching.